You're using Asana completely wrong if you're still managing projects manually in 2025. Hidden AI features that 90% of users don't even know exist are sitting right there in your workspace, and I'm about to show you exactly how to unlock them. Here's the problem. Most teams are drowning in repetitive project management tasks. They're manually assigning work, constantly checking project status, and burning hours on admin work that AI could handle instantly. Meanwhile, Asana's powerful AI capabilities are gathering dust because nobody knows they exist or how to activate them properly. Let me walk you through the complete transformation of your Asana workspace using these game-changing AI features. First, navigate to your project dashboard and look for the AI assistant icon in the top right corner. This little robot symbol is your gateway to automated project intelligence. Click on it and you'll see the AI setup wizard appear. This is where the magic begins. Step 1 is enabling Smart Project Insights. In the AI settings panel, toggle on the Project Health Analysis feature. This AI monitors your project automatically, tracking completion rates, identifying bottlenecks, and predicting deadline risks before they become problems. The AI analyzes patterns in your team's work and surfaces critical insights you'd never catch manually. Next, activate AI task suggestions in the same settings menu. Click the Task Automation tab and enable Smart Task Creation. Now when you start typing project objectives, Asana's AI will automatically suggest subtasks, assign realistic timelines, and even recommend team members based on their workload and expertise. It's like having a project management expert working alongside you 24/7. Step 3 is setting up AI-powered goal tracking. Navigate to the Goals section in your left sidebar, then click Create Smart Goal. Instead of manually tracking progress, the AI will automatically connect your projects to strategic objectives, update progress in real time, and send intelligent status reports to stakeholders. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily and you won't want to miss our upcoming AI productivity series. Now let's dive into the advanced features that separate power users from everyone else. Open any project and look for the AI Insights panel on the right side. This is where Asana's machine learning really shines. The AI analyzes your project data and presents 3 critical views. First is the Workload Optimization view. Click this tab and you'll see AI recommendations for redistributing tasks across your team. It identifies who's overloaded, who has capacity, and suggests optimal reassignments. The AI considers skill sets, current commitments, and historical performance data to make these recommendations. Second is Deadline Intelligence. This feature uses machine learning to predict which tasks are at risk of running late. The AI examines similar past projects, current progress rates, and team velocity to flag potential delays weeks in advance. You'll see risk scores next to each task, color-coded from green to red. Third is the Dependency Mapping feature. Enable this in the AI Insights panel and watch as Asana automatically identifies task dependencies you might have missed. The AI scans project descriptions, comments, and task relationships to suggest logical connections between work items. For milestone tracking, navigate to the Timeline view and activate AI Milestone Suggestions. The AI will analyze your project scope and automatically recommend key milestone dates, buffer time for risks, and critical checkpoints. Click Accept Suggestions and these intelligent milestones populate instantly. The AI Status Updates feature is absolutely revolutionary. In your project settings, enable automated status reports. Now instead of chasing team members for updates, the AI compiles comprehensive status reports by analyzing task completion, time tracking data, and team activity. These reports get automatically shared with stakeholders on your chosen schedule. Here's a pro tip most users never discover. In the search bar at the top, type AI followed by natural language questions about your projects. Ask things like AI, which projects are behind schedule, or AI, who has the lightest workload this week. The AI will instantly surface relevant data and actionable insights. Another hidden gem is AI Template Intelligence. When creating new projects, click the Template Gallery and look for the AI Recommended tab. Based on your team's past projects and industry best practices, Asana's AI suggests optimized project templates with pre-built workflows, automated rules, and smart field configurations. The custom field AI is incredibly powerful for data-heavy projects. Create custom fields and enable AI auto-population in the field settings. The AI will analyze patterns in similar projects and automatically populate custom fields with likely values, saving hours of manual data entry. For reporting, open the dashboard view and click Add Chart. Select AI-generated reports from the options. The AI will analyze your project data and automatically create relevant charts, graphs, and metrics dashboards tailored to your specific project types and goals. The AI Collaboration Intelligence feature monitors team communication patterns and suggests optimal collaboration strategies. It identifies when team members need to connect, recommends pairing for knowledge transfer, and flags potential communication gaps before they impact project success. One final pro tip: enable AI Learning Mode in your personal settings. This allows Asana's AI to continuously learn from your specific work patterns, preferences, and decision-making style. Over time, the AI becomes increasingly personalized and accurate in its recommendations. Remember, at TechNavigator Pro, we help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. These AI features transform Asana from a simple task manager into an intelligent project management powerhouse. The key is consistent use. The more data you provide, the smarter these AI recommendations become. Don't forget to subscribe for more cutting-edge tech tutorials and start implementing these AI features today. Your future self will thank you when projects start running themselves while you focus on strategic work that actually moves the needle.